Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille, 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, silk beige MB text interior with a natural grain gray oak wood trim, sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of brand new all-season and regular floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation and voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 18,695 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.